So folks, we are here at CES in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're at the Govee booth. Govee is a very cool, smart, color-changing light company, and as you can see, they really came to this convention to mean business. They unveiled a lot of new products, including an AI feature. So let's go ahead and explore their beautiful booth here. So guys, right now we're in this model bedroom that Govee made, and as you can see, we have some of their new launches in here. So for instance, we have two of the collab with JBL Table Lamp 2s, which actually change colors right here. And we've also got some of their new mini light panels as well. And then over here too, we also have some of their Govee gaming pixel light over here. So here we have a demo of the Govee AI lighting bot. We're gonna wait for this to load, and then we're gonna go ahead and it's gonna generate a graphic here on the pixel gaming light. So can you make a fairy princess and a unicorn? I don't know, something very fascinating like that. And what it should do is generate an image, just like I described, and it did, as you guys can see right there. And now it should go over here on their new gaming pixel light. Hey, there we go. Looks beautiful. So can you add a dog to this? And then once AI has generated the dog, you can actually move it around in the picture and then tap apply. Yeah. That is super cool. So very heavy customization here on Govee's new devices. So over here, we've also got this floor lamp from Govee. It has two different functions. It actually has an up light right here that lets you show a design on the ceiling, which is very cool. And you can also switch it down here, and then you can actually get a down lamp as well. Oh wow, these Christmas lights are so pretty. So now folks, over here we're gonna demo the scene stage feature from Govee, which basically allows you to connect a variety of different lights and play the same effect on all of them. So maybe I could demo a smiley face right here, and let's see, does it come across? Oh, I've got to apply right there. And wow, look at that. This is so cool because I'm a huge fan of obviously Christmas decorations, and this is a very smart way to do it. So maybe I will also, I don't know, let's see, can I do a fun scene over here? How about rainbow? Awesome, this looks cool. And then how about let's do meteor? I feel like that would be a cool one. Wow, this is so relaxing. I would love this in my room. But if those preset designs aren't enough, you can use Govee's AI feature to generate your own image for these lights. So here I asked it to generate a cute cat, and then once it goes ahead and does that, you can apply it to the lights, and voila, now you've got a cute cat. In addition to that, we saw an example of it doing Iron Man, and once applied to those lights, it looks so awesome. That is so cool. And over here at the Govee booth, we also have some new upcoming outdoor lights that they're launching. Right here we have the Govee outdoor up-down wall lamp, and what's really cool about this is you can actually customize the individual lights, the 4 different lights on this, their colors, to get a very high level of customization on them. Down here we have Govee's Outdoor Pathway Light 2, which are the new version of their sidewalk pathway lights. These would be great if you're maybe trying to line your driveway or a path up to your house. And then lastly over here, this one is super cool. This is the world's first, according to them, RGB outdoor lamppost style light. And it's also got 3 built-in motion sensors to help detect people around it and then do a variety of different effects. So over here we have some of Govee's new lights on display as well. We have their mini panel lights surrounding this TV. Earlier they actually had a gaming console connected to this, and it would sync what is on the screen to change the colors of these lights to have a really cool, very fun gaming setup. Over here too, I'm also loving these gaming wall lights. They have this cool, clear design as well as these fun lines coming through them. I think these look really like mean in a fun gamer way. Like if I was into playing video games, this is where I'd want to do it. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, it's perfect. Anyway, folks, with that, that'll do it for this Warenotice video about Govee at CES 2025. If you're interested in seeing more coverage from this tech conference from me, definitely check out my playlist of all the different videos that I've made about it. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye from Las Vegas.